We flew from New Orleans to Miami and to Port-au-Prince. And from Port-au-Prince, our destination was the village called Moron.
Once we left Port-au-Prince, we went to Ochsner, which is another city, and we stayed there overnight. The next day is when we took our trip from Ochsner to Mo'o, which is where the clinic is.
We had a pretty good, warm welcome from the community, and as well as Dr. Bassinet, who is the physician in charge of the clinic.
And then from there, it was basically Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, was just straight clinical duties. All of us kind of pairing up at different days with Dr. Knapp, who was the urogynecologist, Dr. Naidu, the infectious disease doctor.
And then it was Dr. Laborde, who was doing inpatient services as well as a consult room with himself too. And so we just switched along those days. Every day we saw around 80 to 100 patients, which is a massive amount compared to how many patients they usually see, which is 15 to 20. So yes, we had 3 extra physicians, but you know, it was busy.
Docteur Laborde, Abdou merci, Abdou merci, pour service ou by peuple, Abdou merci, Abdou merci.
I think we also have to show the beauty of the country as well. And I think that if you don't juxtapose a lot of these kind of the needs of the country with the good and the strengths and the fortitude that the country has and has to offer, you're not really doing a service.
This necklace is also from Haiti. It just helps me remember the people that I met, the stories that I heard, and just continue to be inspired by their passion, curiosity, and hope.
Just that strength and that gratefulness that I think we forget here was really inspiring.
When all is said and done, you're supposed to be working yourself out of a job if you're doing it well. At least in health you are. In Moron, I think you know, we really did all the work we could possibly do. You know, I know we're only med students, but you know, we do have a lot to offer.
You know, obviously I'm extremely proud to be from Haiti. The creed of the country is basically, in unity there's strength. L'union fait la force. And so that drives me to, again, to live that every day. I mean, that's kind of hard to put in words, but I think the thing that drives me most importantly is this idea of un pile main chaille par l'eau, which means that many hands lighten the load.